The things that excite me about teaching are, it is really a joy to see how they're learning, they're thinking, they're processing information. You know, our world is so amazing, and to try to discover it, wonder about it, observe it, question it, it's just neat to do with young kids because I think they are just naturally curious. I feel the number one role for me as a teacher is, yes, I do want to teach the curriculum, teach them science. I do want them to learn things, but I feel teaching goes beyond that also. You know, I want my students to be good people, to be kind people, respectful, caring, contributing citizens to the world. So it is definitely trying to build their knowledge, but also build, you know, who they are as people. Something that I'm passionate about is creating fun and meaningful experiences in the classroom. I feel lucky that science is a subject that lends itself easily to creating those kinds of experiences. And I feel lucky to be at a school where I have freedom to create these experiences for the students. I feel Episcopal definitely has high academic standards. We certainly have a rigorous curriculum, but I feel lucky as an educator that I have the flexibility to bring in new, creative, innovative ideas to really enhance the teaching, make the curriculum just such a meaningful and enriching experience for the students. I love working here, so much so that I send my son here too. And he loves coming to school too. So it's like a win-win. We get to go to see football games, we go see the play, and he starts to kind of think what he can participate in the future. So it's an enriching experience for me as a teacher, for me as a parent, and also to have my son here.